Good morning. We are gonna go boating today with Colton and Amber. So I thought you guys could come along with us. But I'm ready, I'm in my swimsuit, but I'm just waiting on Chandler. Always waiting on him. Just kidding. I still need to do my hair because this is not great for boating. But let's go. There's the marina. Aubrey, say hi.
Hello. Ready? Yes, hit it. I did a backflip 360.
Yeah, Aubrey for sure did that. We just got done boating. We're gonna hang out after, but right now we're gonna go get some sushi because we're hungry. We're
Sushi
starved.
house.
Yep, we're going to Sushi House. Aubrey's talking to Boston.
Yeah. Oh, Chandler already ate one. He ruined the whole picture.
Whoops.
No, it's okay. Stop, you literally have no pants on. Ooh, you look cute. Bone apple teeth, I probably can't post that on Instagram or whatever this app is called.
Good.
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming boating with me today. I hope you enjoyed that little boat vlog slash come with me to sushi, whatever. It's just a daily vlog. But I'm now just getting back into filming long form content, so let me know what you'd like to see down below. I felt a little overwhelmed back when I switched jobs, so I haven't been posting as much as you can tell. I post a lot of shorts because I love to make TikToks every single day, so I'll link my TikTok down below. You can follow me there if you want to see me every single day, but I do want to start doing some daily vlogs on here. But yeah, I'm just excited to be back. I'm thinking about going to MP school, so let me know if you guys want like a life update. I would love to give that to you. But yeah, leave any questions down below for me, and I love you so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!